2018 ATS is exceptional with regards to athletic execution and crash test appraisals, however lacks the opposition in inside innovation and space. Signs of this amusing to drive little auto incorporate deft taking care of, responsive directing, and a wealth of standard highlights. The ATS is the littlest model offered by Cadillac, situated underneath the CTS, XTS, and CT6 cars. The superior ATS-V spaces beneath the bigger CTS-V. Among sports vehicles and roadsters, the ATS offers a decent esteem, beginning with a delightful base motor, dissimilar to the underpowered section-level BMW 3 Series. Execution-situated segments like Brembo brakes and a game-tuned suspension are additionally standard, conceding athletic capacities to each trim. Inside, fantastic materials and inexhaustible standard highlights make a liberal environment. The ATS staggers with regards to more viable issues. Its rearward sitting arrangement is thin, for instance, and it has one of the littlest trunks in our extravagance little auto rankings. On the off chance that you utilize these territories all the time, consider roomier choices like the Kia Stinger, Audi A4, or Infiniti Q50. At US News & World Report, we rank the best jobs, best hospitals, and best colleges to direct perusers through some of life's most entangled choices. We've been positioning and looking into the best cars throughout the previous 10 years, supported by a group with over 75 years of joint car encounter. To keep preference good and gone, we keep up a different publicizing group and decrease costly endowments and excursions from auto organizations. The 2018 ATS got the NHTSA's most astounding rating of 5 stars for the car's general crash execution. The IIHS has not crash tried the ATS, but rather 2013 to 2017 ATS autos got the most astounding front crash anticipation rating of superior for legitimately cautioning the driver of a conceivable mishap, staying away from a 12 miles per hour impact, and diminishing the speed of a 25 miles per hour crash by 15 miles per hour on account of the discretionary programmed stopping mechanism. Without that framework, the car scored the most minimal rating of basic for legitimately cautioning the driver of a conceivable impact. The safety and security bundle on the 2018 ATS comprises of the safety alert seat, forward crash alarm with path takeoff cautioning, following distance indicator, path keep help, blind side checking, path change caution, raise cross movement caution, programmed high pillar headlights, rain touchy wipers, and back thorax air sacs. For extra driver help highlights, select the driver assist bundle that incorporates full speed extend versatile journey control, programmed seat strap fixing, front and back programmed braking, and a full shading head-up shut. Costs for the Cadillac ATS begin at $35,495, which is in accordance with the middle beginning expense of an extravagance little auto. 4 primary trim levels are accessible for 2018, including the ATS Premium Luxury, $44,895, the ATS Premium Performance, $47,895, and the Superior ATS-V Sedan, $60,695. The 2018 Cadillac ATS is a wonderful choice for the individuals who savor the experience of an animating games car. Different models in the lineup incorporate a 2-entryway roadster and the superior ATS-V. Its infotainment framework isn't the least demanding to utilize, however it comes very much prepared, and space is somewhat tight past the front seats. For a few, these impediments check its allure as a day-by-day driver, so investigate you purchase.